This video, I was with a buddy of mine. I was working these birds since before daylight. They flew down and came into where I was calling from. As you notice, they're on posted property. We were given permission to hunt that property or near it. We chose to hunt right near it. And I was able to pull a group of gobblers in video and gun range. However, my buddy only knew there was one bird, or thought there was one bird, because he was sitting to my right, up to my right, across from me, and shooting down to the left of me. So, as you can see, that other gobbler, followed by a third behind him, was up behind him. Because of my buddy's location, he was not able to see them, or he would have waited till they all three came down. So we possibly could have got a triple kill, because there was another friend of ours sitting to my left. You'll hear the gobbler gobble shortly after the shot.
Right! There's another one. Hold up. I don't know if that's a Jake. I can't tell. Go get him, buddy. Hold up.